Hey, and thanks for joining me on this quick review of the Real Estate Hub Notion template. When you duplicate this template, you'll find this page with a corresponding database. This database serves as the backbone of the template and was built using Josh Red's Perspectives method. You can find more information in the video here. Essentially, it stores all your pages, allowing you to easily retrieve and navigate through them. It also acts as a navigation bar, an alternative to Notion's default one. With this database, you can conveniently navigate without having to go to the left side of your page. Whenever you add a new page, it will be replicated across all the different pages. On this page, we find the Properties database, and you will notice instructions at the top of the page. The same applies to the other pages, with instructions specific to each page's purpose. Now, let's focus on the Properties database. It offers different views such as gallery, status, state, or wishlist. Each property has various data fields where you can input information, including address, date, and status. Inside the page, you can add pictures, a Google Map link, and take notes on the property. As this database is linked to other databases, you can find views of the related databases automatically filtered on the current property. This functionality extends to contacts, documents, investments, and more. Now, if we navigate to the Contacts database, you will find several different views. The views are grouped by type, such as tenants, contractors, utilities, or others. There is also an alphabetical view where you can see all your contacts sorted alphabetically. Additionally, you can mark contacts as favorites by using the checkbox property. All favorite contacts will appear in this view. Next, we have the Tasks database. You can manage all your tasks on this page. There are different views available. One view groups tasks by status, another view displays tasks on a calendar. There's also a view for tasks assigned to specific owners when working with others, and a view that shows all your late tasks. Late tasks are determined by the lateness property, which is based on the deadline and task status. In addition to the task manager, there is a project management system. Here, you can view all your different projects. Since the project database is linked to the task database, you can find related tasks for each project inside each project page. For each project, you can add a type, time frame, owner, and project status. You can retrieve projects based on their properties, type, or view them on a timeline. Now, we have the Finance page where you can track all the finances related to your real estate business. It is really easy to use. Simply add your income and expenses to the databases. The data will be automatically aggregated into the months and years databases, allowing for automatic calculation of income, expenses, and balance. You can also set up recurring expenses or income using the provided buttons. For example, if you have rents, each time you click on this button, a new rent entry will be added. You just need to assign the corresponding month, and that's it. The same applies to recurring expenses. Now, we have the Investments database. For each property, you can track your investment based on the purchase price and the income generated from the income database. You can manually add income if needed. It will also automatically retrieve expenses from the Expenses database. Same thing, you can also manually add expenses. The system will calculate your profit and provide a quick status update. This is how you can track your investment for each property. Feel free to add additional fields if needed and modify the profit formula in the profit field. Then, you can store all your documents related to your real estate business. The Gallery view allows you to see the actual document if you input the file in the document field. It's a convenient way to quickly retrieve them. You can also add types to your documents. Additionally, you can retrieve all your documents per property. For tax rates, we have an easy-to-use database with data from rocketmortgage.com that helps you calculate your estimated property tax. You can do this based on the real estate tax rate and the house asset values that you input here. The database covers all 51 states of the United States, but you can also add rates from your own country if you don't live in the US. And finally, we have the Resources database. This is where you can store all your real estate related content, such as articles, books, podcasts, documentaries, templates, videos, and more. There is a view available for you to access all the unchecked content. Additionally, there are views that group content by type and topic. You can also access a view that shows the content you have already consumed. Additionally, we have the Databases page, which contains all the main databases of the template. It is not necessary to use this page, but if you add more database, you can store them here. That's it for this quick review of the Real Estate Hub Notion template. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Have an awesome Notion day.